Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and this is what's jumping in my pot today. I'm bringing you another recipe for our Jumping in the Pot Christmas specials, Hennessy brown sugar glazed ham. Let's get to it. I have here foil paper lined with parchment paper. I have a ham here in my sink in a plate. I've rinsed the ham in cold water, and this is what we do. We place it on the foil, and then we enclose the foil paper over the ham. I think we have it all enclosed. See? Now the next step is we get a baking pan with a rack. We put the ham in the pan on the rack. Then we place it in the oven for 90 minutes. You turn your oven at 325 degrees and let it bake for the 90 minutes. I've taken the ham out of the oven and I had to let it cool so I could touch it. This is the next step. You leave it in the foil paper and the parchment paper. Now, I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to cut off some of the skin. You can take the skin and fry it up and make crackling out of it. Whatever you choose to do with it, it's up to you. Now, this is what we do. We're going to cut it, slices into it. Not so deep, just about a ½ inch, because we're going to make it into a diamond figure. So we're going to cut all around it like this. Then we're going to come straight across. Now, this is the next thing we do. I have here some Hennessy Cognac and brown sugar. We're going to make the glaze out of this. I'm using 2/3 cup. This is the glaze. Our next step is I put it in the baking pan on the foil and parchment paper, the ham. Now I take the glaze I just made with the Hennessy and brown sugar. This is what we do. You spoon the glaze over the ham. Then you put it in the oven and let it bake for 20 minutes uncovered. And then after 20 minutes, you baste it again. Okay, we're going to put it in the oven now. I just taken it out of the oven. Hennessy brown sugar glazed ham. See? See? If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and share. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I will see you in another video soon. Bye.